we talk for just a minute? You know, there are some products that just never, ever should have been made, like grape milk, or gluten-free diet water, or Varathane Wood Stain in a spray can. Just how many adjectives can you put on the front of a can?
2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8.
Let's find out. Premium, fast dry, quick, even coverage, perfect for intricate areas, approachable. What does that mean? Easy to use format. I have a lot of experience staining wood. In fact, I have over 50 cans of wood stain in my house right now. Most of them are oil-based, which I prefer over the water-based products. But with all this experience I have, I never realized that I could actually buy wood stain in an aerosol spray can? But why would I want this? Is it any good? Is there any benefit to this over stain from a can? So today I'm going to compare weathered gray wood stain in a spray to weathered gray wood stain in a can. And I'm going to let you know if this is worth it or if it's worthless. I have 4 wood samples: mahogany, pine, birch, and oak. On one side, I'm going to use the spray, and on the other half, I'm going to use stain from a can. While the stain color is weathered gray, I believe the same results can be drawn from other color stains. I've tested the spray stain and the can stain on birch, oak, pine, and mahogany. Is there any noticeable difference?
Oh, would you look at that? What the heck is that?
Nope. But I guess that's what you'd expect. It's the same color, you're just applying it in a little different way. So what's the point of the spray stain? Beats me. Maybe you don't need 270 square feet of coverage. Well, then just buy yourself a pint. Honestly, I see no benefit to using stain in a spray can. How hard is it to open a can with a screwdriver? And of course it's going to dry faster because it's watered down. It's thinned out so much, and you're really only getting a small amount of stain in the can. So if you're shopping and you see these on a shelf, just keep on walking. Don't waste your time or your money. It's a gimmick. I'm Tom. This is Allie Picked, and that's today's Quick Tip.